Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to go through two things: how you change the title or the name of a video in ClipChamp, and I'm also going to show you how to finish, or you would say export your video out into a format where you can use it, and you can also choose to select the video quality which you want, whether that may be 360p, 1080, or maybe 4K or something like that. Okay, so let's get into today's video. So the first thing I did is I imported my media. I put my three clips together: my intro, my main video, and my end screen. So I'm pretty happy with that. I already listened, watched through it. So I went to the end, had my end screen there, so it's all actually there. Okay, so now I've done that, I want to change my video title. Okay, so what am I going to call this? How to call it finish clip champ video. Okay, so I've changed the name there. So the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to export this out. So we're going to go up to export. So you can hit it or you can click this little side. So now you have to choose your video quality. Do you want 480p, 720, 1080 or 4K? So apologies, I think I said 360 is not actually an option. So I'm just going to go 1080. Okay. So it's just going to work here for a moment. It's not usually this slow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go here. It's gonna ask me what do I want to do with it. Could I upload it straight to YouTube or TikTok? In this case, the only thing I actually want to do is I want to export it to a file on my computer so I can do some other editing with a different program. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everyone.